You've learned about variables, loops, and conditions. You've seen how to get input and print output. Now, let's put those building blocks together and create something real. The best way to become a great programmer is to build projects. So today, we're going to build a classic Guess the Number game from scratch, right here in the console. Before we write a single line of code, let's make a plan. What does our game need to do? First, the computer needs to pick a secret number. Second, it needs to ask the player for their guess. Third, it needs to check the guess. Is it too high, too low, or is it correct? This check needs to repeat, which tells us we'll need a loop. The loop will only stop when the player guesses the number. That's our blueprint. Okay, let's translate our plan into code. First, we import random. Next, we create our secret number using random.randent. We'll start a while true loop to keep the game running. Inside, we ask the player for their guess and convert their input to an integer. Now for our core logic, using if, elif, and else, we check if the guess is too low or too high and print a hint. If it's not too low or too high, it must be correct. In the else block, we print a success message and, crucially, use break to exit the loop. Let's see it in action. We run the script. It says it's thinking of a number. My first guess is 10. Too high. Okay, so it's between 1 and 9. Let's try 5. Too low. Now we know it's 6, 7, 8, or 9. I'll guess 7. You got it. It works. We just built a complete interactive program. Look at how we combined variables, loops, and conditions to create this project. This is the essence of programming. Now, it's your turn to be the developer. Try modifying the code to add a guess counter or to limit the player to 5 tries. Code. Debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.